Hi everybody, and welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a vibratory bowl feeder. It's about 28-inch diameter, all in stainless steel, as you can see. This unit has for an explosion-proof environment is ideal, as it is only air operated. We're going to show you right here. We're going to be running at full speed, just connecting our air line directly to it. And it's an eccentric type vibrator, so it's not as loud as vibrators you may see in other applications. Doing a 38 millimeter childproof cap, and if the cap is upright, you'll see it passes over the sorter right there. When face down, and let's just turn one over here just to demonstrate for you. Runs really nice. And like I said, if you have a volatile environment, it's an ideal unit. We have lots of feeders like this in our stock, in a variety of types and designs. So we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And thanks for joining us today for this video. Hope to see you soon.